Recovery efforts following Turkey's massive earthquakes are underway, and new issues are coming up every day. CBN's Chris Mitchell is on the ground there and explains how the widespread infrastructure damage has created a great need for medical help.
As nations worldwide send help and supplies into Turkey, Syria's President Assad has opened his country's borders for the first time in years, so aid can reach those areas also devastated by the earthquakes. One of the major needs in this area is medical help. The local hospital was destroyed, and many people lost their prescriptions and medicine during the earthquake. That's where Operation Blessing's medical team comes in.
All this is good except this part.
Operation Blessing Dr. Gustavo Angel is providing assessments for some in this area.
For now, people are like in need of the treatments for the chronic diseases, because at the moment they don't have any clinics or any hospitals nearby. They had to travel like at least 1.5 hours from this place to the nearest clinic.
This 84-year-old man suffers from diabetes, high blood pressure, and a heart condition. His son described to us what they endured when the earthquake hit.
We try to keep him from falling down, and this earthquake affected him a lot, because this is the first time in a disaster like this. I took him out of my back, and he fell down, and he couldn't walk.
Reliving that night proved emotionally overwhelming. The emotional aftershock is also affecting this 70-year-old survivor.
They have lost everything right now, so they're living on the street, on a tent camp. So the weather, like the fear and everything, has generated a spasm on his muscles. So he has like an aftershock anxiety.
This son is grateful for the help.
We didn't expect to get this much help at the earthquake. So not only these people who are helping us, and from other organizations.
To meet the need here, Operation Blessing is working to expand its medical outreach.
Right now, Operation Blessing is trying to improve the health situation over here. We're trying to give like a mobile clinic from this area so we can go visit places, or at least the people that are nearby can approach to us and we can help them, because we know that they are in need.
Chris Mitchell, CBN News, Hatay, Turkey.
It's wonderful to see Operation Blessing right there in the heart of the worst of the devastation, helping folks out, Gordon.
And we're there in your name, and we're there in the name of Jesus. Why do we go to places like this? Because the love of Christ compels us. Unfortunately, I've heard on some feeds that Christians are questioning why are we going to help Muslims? Well, we're going because we're Christian. And this is what we do. This is what it means to be a follower of Jesus Christ, that we love people and we love them in their time of need. His commandment over us is so evident. Let us clothe the naked. Let's feed the hungry. Let's provide shelter for those in need. Let's provide medical care. Let's love our neighbor as ourselves. Let us do these things, not because of anything good or bad that they have done, because this is who we are. We are Christians, and we reach out with hands of love and compassion. So if you'd like to join in what we're doing, there's so many groups marshaling together, coming together to say, yes, let's help these wonderful people in Turkey. They're made in the image of God. They're our brothers, our sisters. We want to help them. If you want to be a part of it, it's real simple. All you have to do is pick up the phone and call us. 1-800-700-7000. Say, I want to join in the Operation Blessing Disaster Relief. And it's just that simple. Call us, 1-800-700-7000. You can write to CBN Center, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 23463. Just put Disaster Relief Fund in the memo line of a check, or you can go to cbn.com or ob.org. Either way, and if you give to the Disaster Relief Fund, your funds will be designated into that to provide help for people in disasters all over the world, and right now, for that disaster, that earthquake in Turkey and Syria. We want to be there for them. So we're there in your name, and we're there because we're Christian. 1-800-700